This video will guide you through the installation of L-TWOO mountain bike hydraulic brake caliper and brake levers. Install the brake levers. Use a 4mm hex key to loosen the lever clamp bolts. Then mount the levers to your handlebar. Keep the left and right lever angles equal. Adjust them to a grip that feels natural for you. Tighten the clamp bolts clockwise to lock the levers in place. Remove the wheel assembly. Install the calipers. First, pick the caliper with the shorter hydraulic hose. This will serve as your front caliper. Secure the caliper with a 5mm hex key by tightening the bolts clockwise. Do the same to install the rear caliper. For post-mount calipers, match the adapter to your rotor size. The F180 adapter is for 180mm rotor on the front wheel. The R160 adapter is for 160mm rotor on the rear wheel. Line up the adapter's arrow with the bike's forward direction. Then fasten the adapter with a 5mm hex key. Attach the hoses to the left and right levers based on which hand you prefer to use for braking. Turn the handlebar fully left and right to make sure the hose doesn't block movement. Then mark where you need to cut the hose. Hose cutting can't be undone. Double check the length before you cut. Use a hydraulic hose cutter to make a clean, flat cut at your mark. Refer to the diagram for the correct cut appearance. Slide the dust seal cap onto the hose. Slide the compression nut onto the hose first, followed by the olive. Insert the connector insert. Then use the press tool to press it in firmly. As shown in the diagram. Use a 10mm open-end wrench to turn the lever's oil port plug counterclockwise to loosen it. Push the hose all the way to the bottom of the lever oil port. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to tighten the compression nut clockwise. Remove the brake pad spacer. Then put the wheel back on. Testing and adjustment. Squeeze the levers a few times to check for leaks. If fluid seeps out from improper installation, reinstall the hose connection. Fit the dust seal cap over the connection. Turn the reach adjustment knob to set the lever reach to your preference. Thank you for watching this video.